Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on battery full charge sound in Samsung Galaxy A16. First of all, go to your settings. In settings, tap on modes and routines. Select routines. Now we'll create a new routine, so tap on this plus icon and create routine. Tap add what will trigger this routine. Here scroll down and select battery level and give here battery level 100. Select equal to or above. Now tap on add what this routine will do. Select notifications. Select show custom notification. Enter title, type here battery level. Add notification text, type here 100%. And enable this option, read this notification loud. Tap on done. Now we will add a new action here, so tap on add action. And here go down and select effects. Select beep once. And now tap on save. And routine name, type here battery level 100% and just tap on done. And that's it. We have successfully created a new routine. Now on, whenever your device will be 100% charged, you will hear a full charge notification. So I'm going to edit this routine. So let's open the routine and battery level. I'm selecting here 56 for example to show you. So 56, and let's change notification 56. Save. And now I'm going to plug in my charging cable. So as you can see, my phone is now charging. Let's wait for 56. So as you can see, battery level 56% showing. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.